the joy they had found. The head nurse spoke up, said leave this one alone. She could tell right